Hello children, I hope everybody is safe and fine. Today's video is for students of class 6 and today we are going to study computer. Kindly turn to chapter number 2, operating the control panel. The control panel. Now what is the control panel? The control panel is a very important part of our computer. You can change the different settings of your computer through the control panel. You can change the settings of the display, the screensaver, the appearance of the window color schemes. You can even add a new hardware and can remove any program from your computer. In this lesson, we will learn to operate the control panel of our computer. Now, how to use the control panel? At first, you'll click on the start button, then take the cursor to the settings option, click on the control panel option. The control panel window will open. Double click and display icon. You will see the different tabs at the top of the display properties dialog box. So children, the pictures are very clearly given. If you follow the chapter and just do it in your practical class, I think this will be very helpful. How do we change the wallpaper? We change the wallpaper by 3 steps. The 3 steps are mentioned below. It displays the properties. The dialog box, click on the background tab and a list of the wallpapers available will appear. Click on any one of the given wallpapers. You can select the preview of that wallpaper, and when you choose the wallpaper, just click on the apply button. Same way, the screensaver. There are also again 3 steps. The display properties dialog box will appear. Screensaver tab, select the name of the screensaver which you want to apply, and then there is an option wait in which you can enter the number of minutes or the ideal time that you want to activate your screensaver for. Click on the preview button to preview the screensaver. Click on the apply button. Same goes with creating your own screensaver. How do you do that? Follow these steps. Again the same process. On the dialog box, go to the screensaver drop down list, then choose the 3D text option. Click on the settings button. The 3D text setup dialog box will open. Enable the text option. If you want to display the current time, just enable the time option. Click on the choose front button. In the surface style box, enable the solid color option if you want your text to be displayed in a single color or if you want it to be displayed in multiple colors. So next is in the speed box, you will see the drag the slider to adjust the display speed, and then the last but not the least, click on the OK button. Now how do you change the appearance of the window? There are again 3 steps. In the display properties, you'll get the appearance tab. Choose your color scheme, then click on the apply button. Next, how do you change the individual component? Click on the item drop down list and choose the item whose color you want to change. Then click on the color button and select the color from the menu for that particular item. Click on the OK button to complete the settings. Now, how to make changes to the mouse settings? There are 2 steps. Double click on the mouse icon. Mouse properties dialog box will open. There are 3 tabs at the top of the dialog box. By default, the buttons tab is selected. Okay children, now how do you interchange the buttons? There are 2 steps again. If you are a right hand person, enable the right handed option. The left mouse button will be in function. If you are a left handed person, enable the left handed option. The right mouse button will be in function. How to change the double click speed? So there are again few steps. Then there are again few steps for changing the shape of the mouse pointer. How? Click on the type of the pointer which you want to change from. Click on the browser button. You will get different types of pointers in the browse dialog box. Click on the pointer of your choice, select it. Click on the OK button. Now you will see the replaced pointer in place of the original pointer. Click on the apply button to bring the changes into effect. If you do not like the changes you had applied, you can always undo the same by clicking on the following steps. That is to click the change pointer in mouse properties dialog box. Click on the Use default button as well. Click the speed of the mouse pointer. How do you do that? Again, there are few steps. How to set the pointer tail, how to set the slider in order to try out what we want. Then setting the date and time, click on the start button, point to the settings option, click on the control panel option, double click on date and time icon. A date and time properties dialog box will appear. Now you can make the necessary changes in the month, the date, the year or the time in your computer. Now how to add the printer? Follow these steps. Double click on the printer's icon in the control panel. Double click on the add printer icon in the window, and then last but not the least, second last, click on the manufacturer type of your printer and then click on the model of your printer. Now next, last but not the least, follow the instructions that the next few screens and the printer will get installed and the printer icon will appear in the desktop. So children, with this we come to the end of the chapter. I hope this was clear. If there are any doubts, please ask in the classroom. Thank you.